In today's video, I'm going to teach you the easiest way to save your iPhone photos so you never lose your precious memories. We'll keep it simple and make sure everything is set up to work automatically so you can relax knowing your photos are protected. Your photos capture moments you can't replace. If your phone ever breaks, gets lost, or stops working, you don't want to risk losing them. The good news is, your iPhone can automatically save copies of every photo and video to the cloud using Apple's built-in service. Think of it as a backup photo album that quietly stays up to date. Here's how to turn it on. Open the Settings app. It's the gray gear icon. At the top, tap your name. Next, choose iCloud. Then, tap Photos. At the top of that screen, turn on Sync this iPhone. If the switch was gray or white, it will turn green or blue when it's on. That's it. From now on, every photo and video you take will be safely saved to the cloud without any extra work from you. After you switch it on, your iPhone will begin copying your existing photos. If you have a lot, this can take a while, and that's completely normal. For the smoothest experience, keep your phone on Wi-Fi and plugged in, especially overnight. Your iPhone will handle everything in the background. Going forward, new photos will upload automatically within a few minutes. If storage on your iPhone is tight, you can save space while keeping full-quality versions in the cloud. Go back to Settings, tap your name, then iCloud, then Photos, and select Optimize iPhone Storage. Your phone will keep smaller versions locally and fetch the full version when you open a photo. You'll still see your entire library, and this helps prevent your device from filling up. It's smart to check that everything is backing up. On a computer, visit iCloud.com and sign in with the same Apple ID you use on your iPhone. Click Photos. If your recent shots appear there, you're all set. This is also a convenient way to view photos on a bigger screen or download specific ones if needed. Keep in mind, Apple includes 5 GB of free cloud storage. If you take lots of photos, you might see a message that your iCloud storage is full. You can delete pictures you no longer need or choose a paid plan for more space. Many people find the 50 GB plan at a low monthly cost is plenty. For photos you'd prefer to keep out of the main library, open the photo, tap the 3 dots, and choose Hide.
It moves to the hidden album under Albums and won't appear in your main grid. Great job! Remember, Settings, your name, iCloud, Photos, and turn on Sync this iPhone. Your memories are now protected automatically. Happy photographing! Congratulations! You've just learned how to protect your precious memories. By turning on automatic backup, your photos are now being saved safely in the cloud without you having to think about it. Remember, the key steps were: go to Settings, tap your name, choose iCloud, then Photos, and turn on Sync this iPhone. That's really all you need to do to keep your photos safe. If you need help with any of these steps, don't hesitate to ask a family member or friend. They can walk through it with you once, and then your photos will be protected automatically from that point forward. Your memories are precious. Now, they're safe. Happy photographing!